Greetings to all the viewers of Olga's Cook and Book. I welcome you all to yet another episode of Writing Skill. And today's topic is your favorite, and that's about essay writing. What is an essay? It is an attempt. It's the literal meaning of an essay. So, what is an attempt? It is an attempt to express your thoughts in a very clear manner. We need to remember the 5 characteristics of an essay. The first one is unity. Here we should remember that we should have everything properly organized in your mind. Once that is done, half your work is over. At the same time, you should remember not to include any irrelevant things in your essay. The second important characteristic is order. Order means a proper sequence has to be maintained. Try and ensure that you are not expressing your thoughts in a haphazard manner. The third important characteristic of an essay is brevity. Here you should remember that the essay should not be too long. It should be concise and up to the point. For a school essay, you can express your essays in around 300 words, but there is no limit to it. The next characteristic is style. You should remember that the language you're using should be simple, direct, and natural. Next important thing you should remember is clear writing is very important. So for clear writing, you should have clear thinking. And that's the time when your thought becomes words instantly. And the last characteristic is the personal touch. Remember always to give your personal touch, else your essay would be colorless and devoid of individuality. So express your opinion always. You should not be happy with others' opinion. You should always make it a point to express your views and opinions through your essay. Now, I will share some of the hints to remember while you do an essay. The first thing is called general preparation. Now, what comes under general preparation is you need to be a well-read person. If you are a well-read person, your thoughts can instantly convert into words. So you will never find it difficult to write an essay. Usually, a good reader will never find it difficult to communicate through essay writing. The next important thing is observation. You need to be observant on things happening around us because those are experiences which you gain from life around us. So those can be used as a good material for your essay writing. Now that you're aware of the characteristics of a good essay as well as the hints which you should remember while you write an essay, I will share with you how the format has to be. The essay should have a proper introduction. That's the first part of the structure of a good essay. Now, an introduction can begin with a proverb, a quote, or a general remark. It can even begin with a good proper definition of the subject matter. The second part is the body of an essay. Here you should remember you need to express your thoughts or opinion of the subject matter in proper paragraphs. Now paragraphs should be well constructed, otherwise it will make the essay look unattractive. Just like the introduction is important, you should remember conclusions are also equally important. Introductions arouse interest among the reader. Similarly, conclusions are also important. A feeble conclusion will make the essay look unattractive. So try and ensure that you conclude your essay properly in the right manner. A good conclusion may be a summing up of all the arguments which you had placed in your paragraphs before, or you can end with a proper quote or a proverb. This could be like a cherry on the cake. So give your personalized touch and conclude it properly. So these are the points which you should remember while you write an essay. So let's hope that everybody will write better essays after this video. So thank you so much for watching Olga's Cook and Book, and keep on motivating me. Thank you so much.